I made a capture cube. So, what's a capture cube? A capture cube is a stripped down PiKVM with a battery pack on its back. Battery pack on its back. It sounds good. Anyways, it all started when I wanted to capture some footage on my PlayStation 2. Now, I could have just bought a capture card, but that's just way too easy. So, I made a capture cube. Like I mentioned, the capture cube is a stripped down PiKVM. It's composed of three main things: the PiKVM, the CubeSat frame, and the battery pack right here. Battery pack I just got from Adafruit or Adafruit, and it's this thing. And the 12 volt to 5 volt converter I got from Amazon. And the HDMI to CSI bridge I got from Amazon as well. CubeSat frame I just 3D printed. And the Unobtainium Raspberry Pi 4. So how does it work? First, go to your PiKVM portal and then plug in the HDMI cable to the capture cube. And as you can see, if I just plug it in like so, it shows on my screen. Yeah, then I can capture it on OBS and be a streamer. I don't want to stream. Now let's see some PS2 goodness, eh? Now the cool thing about the capture cube is you can plug in any HDMI 1080p non-HDCP output into it and it'll play it just fine. Now, what are the cons? If it has HDCP on, then it's not going to show anything. If it's outputting 4K native, then it's not going to see it either. And finally, the battery life is pretty shoddy. It's around 20-30 minutes before it dies on you. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the video.